Good morning. I have already told you about the classification of polymers. Now there are two types of polymer. One is known by the name of addition polymer and the mode is known by the name of addition polymerization or chain growth polymerization. The second one is condensation polymerization or step growth polymerization. In the case of addition polymerization, the addition of monomers takes place in the presence of any reactive species. That reactive species may be free radical or that may be ionic species. Ionic polymerization is not in our syllabus, so I am going to tell you about the free radical polymerization. In the free radical polymerization, the polymerization takes place in the presence of reactive intermediate. That may be alkene, that may be alkadiene, that may be dioxygen, that may be benzoyl peroxide. I will discuss mechanism in the presence of benzoyl peroxide, known by the name of a free radical initiator. The first step is the chain initiating step. In this step, the benzoyl peroxide is converted in the form of free radical. It is 2C6H5COO in the form of free radical. It breaks up to give carbon dioxide and free radical. This is phenyl free radical. It works in the form of an initiator. This phenyl free radical reacts with ethene and there is a formation of a bigger free radical takes place. The second step is known by the name of chain propagating step. In this, the growth of chains takes place. This bigger free radical combined with ethene, there is a formation of chain takes place and the chain becomes bigger and bigger. We can grow the chain of our own choice here. The third step is known by the name of chain termination step. In this chain termination step, the two polymeric chains which contains free radical combine together to form a molecule. Here there are two chains, one consisting of C6H5, CH2, CH2 and CH2, CH2 in the form of free radical, and the second chain that also consists of same number of molecules. These combine together, they join together to form a bigger chain, and in this way the growth of chain takes place and the formation of polymers takes place. Now I will tell you different type of addition polymers which has been formed by the chain growth polymerization.